guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be assembling a giant burger. How cool does that sound? For this we will be needing burger sauce. Burger sauce is just a mixture of hot sauce and mayonnaise, and so it becomes this peachy color. Apart from that, we'll be needing mayonnaise, some chicken tender, and I'll put the recipe in the description below. I have made these in the previous video. And some iceberg for vegetables. Yeah, I'm gonna start, oh, and a burger bun, obviously. So I'm gonna start by adding in our burger sauce on one side. I'm just gonna spread it out. Okay. Some more. Okay, I'm just gonna like spread it out. You know? So there. Now our mayonnaise. I'm gonna putting the mayonnaise on this side. Spread it out evenly. Okay. So apart from this, we will be needing our chicken tenders. I'm just gonna use my hand. Which the base? Okay, this is the base. It's the base. It's the base. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, there's the chicken. And our lettuce. Or iceberg. Ooh, yum. Whenever you're using iceberg, you want to dry it using a tissue because it leaves a lot of water. Okay, now. Oh, it's the bottom. My bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hey, there is your burger. How cool does that look? Okay, I have my brother here to taste it with me.
That circus. Ow.
You wanna try it? Okay,
What is that?
a burger.
Oh yeah, I'm the Burger King.
Okay. Okay, this is very deep.
Oh my god. You have to cut it like a cake.
Yeah.
House?
Oops, some spilled.
Yeah. Oh, I can eat deep.
Alright, let's just take it off here. You know, it's a clean counter.
You have to, like it's a birthday cake.
It's very deep.
It's like in the lid here, like nice.
It's deep.
I'm not eating all of them.
3. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, that's a burger. Ooh, you wanna try it?
I'm really.
Do this. I can hold it.
It looks really yummy, but then the plot. I don't
3.
know where to start or where to end. My mom's gonna. Uh-huh.
How is it? Burger heaven! So that is the burger, giant burger recipe. If you like this recipe, which you will, you should try this recipe at home. It's great for dinners, family parties, you know, you're bored, make a giant burger. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!